everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here from Studio Co, and it is just adorable. It's from Etsy, and I opened the box, but I wanted to save this unboxing for you guys. Oh my goodness, it's adorable. So it has a piece of washi tape that's holding this cute little ribbon, and her little follow us on Instagram. I mean, how sweet. This packaging is just unbelievable. And that was stuck on there so it wouldn't move. I got a Hobonichi planner, and I am pretty excited about it. So I had to get some things to go with it. This says, "Hello Studio, you are magical." I mean, look at this packaging. It is so sweet. And it looks like this is a sampler. You've got this cute little road tripping coffee. This is a little burn book, and it has a little, it comes in its own little package. Burn book. Oh my gosh. And these are the little die cuts. Get in, loser. We're going shopping. The burn book. She doesn't even go here. So that's from a movie called Mean Girls. If you guys haven't seen that, I would highly recommend that too. It's hilarious. And this is all from that. And I love the way she packages. And this one says, "Not socializing today." And this is cappuccino. Oh my goodness. This one is plan day. And plan with me. And it says, "Today can kiss my fluff." And this says, "I need a hug, off day, current mood, salty, and today was hard." And these are busy day, with working at the computer or just working. These say "Mom Boss." Daisy Doodle Latte Love. I love you a latte. This one is Coffee Break. This one is Positively Daisy. And it has "Stay positive and you've got this." Really cute. Really, really cute. Oh my goodness. Love it, love it, love it. And then here, oh my word. These are my Hobonichi kits. So this one says "So Fetch." And I open it up, and it is the Mean Girls kit. On Wednesday we wear pink. So cute. So cute. I love that. And then this one says Sprinkles. Oh my goodness. And it has donuts, panda bears. Oh my word, I love it. Coffees or frappuccinos, whichever. And then there's some goodies in here. And I think I'll put the burn book goodies in the burn book one. That's a cute idea. And here's a die cut. Super cute. Love them all. That is adorable. And I'm going to use this. Put that right in there. And then this is a cute little, oh, that's the kit. Oh my goodness. She divides each kit up with these. Ocean Dreams, sheet 1 and sheet 2. Oh my goodness. I love it. And this one looks adorable. It is To the Moon and Back. Oh, there's a full page. And then there's page, or front and back, I think. Page 1 and 2. How cute are they? I love my space. And then I love Sesame Street. As a kid, I always loved it, and Grover is my guy. So when I saw this, I had to get it. And it's sheets 1 and 2. Oh my gosh. There's Snuffleupagus and Big Bird and the Count. Oh, I love it. Oscar the Grouch, and of course Cookie Monster. And now this is some sort of pocket. I don't know how it works. I think it's a pocket. Oh yes, here it is. So I can put stuff inside of there. How cool is that? And this can fit in my planner, my larger planner. It wouldn't fit in my Hobonichi, but perfect. Look at that. I'm set. So that's what I got from Hello Studio Co. I really hope that you check them out, because I don't know that there's anyone who packages as nicely as this. This is amazing. It makes me feel like a princess just opening the package. So thanks for watching, and please check them out. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.